Welcome to Branded Cars, your ultimate destination for everything on the latest automobiles. Here, we dive into the world of innovation, speed, and style, bringing you the hottest cars from across the globe. Don't forget to subscribe for regular updates and hit that notification bell to stay in the loop. Today, we're looking at one of the most anticipated hybrid sports cars of the year, the 2025 BMW i8. Known for redefining hybrid performance, the BMW i8 has always been a head-turner, and the 2025 model takes things to the next level. Let's start with the design. The 2025 BMW i8 is a masterpiece of modern engineering, blending futuristic aesthetics with iconic BMW styling. The sculpted body, butterfly doors, and low-slung profile scream sports car from every angle. This year's model gets sharper lines, an aerodynamic front fascia, and redesigned LED headlights that give it a more aggressive look. At the back, the sleek taillights and bold diffuser enhance its sporty character. Available in exclusive new colors, it's a visual treat for car enthusiasts. Performance is where the i8 truly shines. Powered by an upgraded hybrid drivetrain, the car combines a turbocharged 3-cylinder petrol engine with a high-performance electric motor. Together, they produce a jaw-dropping 600 horsepower, ensuring lightning-fast acceleration. The i8 sprints from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.2 seconds, making it a serious contender on the track. The improved battery offers an extended electric-only range of up to 70 miles, making it perfect for city commutes while still being eco-friendly. Step inside, and you're greeted with a cabin that's both luxurious and futuristic. The minimalist dashboard is dominated by a massive curved display that combines the infotainment system and digital instrument cluster. BMW's latest iDrive system ensures seamless connectivity and intuitive controls. Premium materials, including leather and carbon fiber accents, elevate the interior's quality. The new ambient lighting options and sporty bucket seats make it a comfortable yet thrilling space to be in. Safety has also been a priority for BMW in the 2025 i8. The car is equipped with advanced driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and collision avoidance. It also comes with an innovative augmented reality heads-up display that keeps your eyes on the road while providing crucial information. The 2025 BMW i8 isn't just about performance and luxury, it's about leading the charge towards sustainable mobility. With a focus on reducing emissions without compromising driving pleasure, it's a perfect blend of the future and the present. Pricing starts at around $150,000, which places it in the premium sports car category. While it's not cheap, the i8 offers cutting-edge technology, stunning design, and eco-conscious performance, making it a worthwhile investment for enthusiasts. So, what are your thoughts on the 2025 BMW i8? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Branded Cars for more in-depth reviews and insights. Until next time, drive safe and stay inspired.